Did you know static on your TV can remember faces? In one apartment complex, residents started noticing something strange. When the channels went fuzzy after midnight, they'd see shapes, faces, people who didn't live there anymore. It started with Mia in 6B. She fell asleep watching old reruns and woke up to her TV whispering. The static was moving, slow, deliberate, like someone trying to step through it. She tried to turn it off, but the power button didn't work. Then, through the snow of static, she saw a pale figure smiling and waving. It looked exactly like her. When the neighbors found her the next morning, the TV was unplugged, but her reflection was still there, smiling through the screen. Now every tenant follows rule number 10. Always unplug the TV before you sleep, because once the static remembers you, it never forgets.